You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this movie or series, television series, correctly once and for all. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. We've got a few more. So, American pronunciation would be MobLand. MobLand. Now, in the UK, the British English pronunciation would be MobLand. MobLand. UK pronunciation, MobLand. American pronunciation, and arguably this is an American series, so should probably be pronounced the American way. MobLand. MobLand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.